ETC is another one I did a short on yesterday, and one that I'm actually kind of more bullish on. And I did want to look at the grayscale chart, so maybe I can do that now while I'm here. So as you can see on this, we've got a trend line. You know, this is the basic chart with nothing on it. We've got a trend line. We came back down below it, and now we potentially reclaim that trend line. But what I'm really looking for here is similar to what I just said with ENS, was it? You know, is for this to create a new weekly demand. I would like to see this week's candle close significantly higher, and then potentially look for a test of this zone. So it's not something. It's something that's difficult to alert right now. So I did have an alert on this 3-day demand as an aggressive alert, so that's had a nice move, and it does have a 5-day supply immediately above. But again, at this stage may create 4-day, 5-day demand, so it's, are we just going to get a consolidation through here? We need to see the reaction here. So it's still quite early for this. If it comes deeper, there's got 3-week, 2-week and 1-month demand there, so that would be the better entry, or the cleaner entry on demand if it does come back down. Again, swing failed the high, so it's a difficult one. Does that mean it's going to take out some lows? But again, on the lower time frames, or like I say, if you can look for entries on the weekly and try and get a tight entry in here, then you might get at least a move up into this supply, and or potentially that bigger move. So let's just quickly look at what the grayscale ETC chart is doing. US dollar dominance looking increasingly nasty there. Just see, it was worth looking at the grayscale charts. XLM's really got up 13% today, so I guess Ripple's moving. Okay, yeah, so you can see on this. Oops, sorry. ETC. So just look at. We haven't done the higher time frames on this yet. So yeah, it's come off 3-month demand down here. It is kind of in a massive annual supply, but obviously it's moving quite high. But we've come off 3-month demand down here, so yes, I would expect this to take out the high. It's had a decent move. It's rejected off the 2-month, swing failed it, but then come back down. Again, we're in a bigger monthly supply, but yeah, the strength of this move off the 3-month is good, and then we've come back down, tested weekly demand. So there is, the possibility that again we come back down to the start of this move. So we're looking here. Are we going to create? Oh no, we have created a new weekly demand on this. So this is already a little bit ahead of the other chart as such. So again, this is potentially something that I like the look of for a move up to higher levels. If that 3-month plays out, but we need to see it hold through here. So back on that normal ETC chart, again, we want to see this confirm the weekly demand as well, and then just see it hold through here.